Hello to everyone. So today class we'll discuss about the mechanical measuring instruments like gauges. So mechanical measurements means measuring something else which you want to measure. It's like using a scale or a ruler or a weighing machine like etc. So this now in this class we'll discuss about the gauges. So gauges is not just measuring; it's a inspection tool. Inspection means just to check the whether it is given measurement or not. So you have a different gauges like plain gauge and ring gauges, feeler gauge, and a snap gauge. There are different gauges, but we'll discuss four in this class. So plain plug gauge, you have a two end. One is go end, another one is no go end. So plain plug gauge, here we are checking the holes of a given material. Hole is it's mentioned in the H7 like that. So H7 means hole of a 7 dimension, that is maybe in okay. So now if the go end is enter into the hole, so the given material is okay, so you can accept it. And in the same hole, if you insert, if the go end is not go inside the hole, then the specimen is accepted. If it is not, though, the given material or a specimen or a workpiece is rejected. So in the manufacturing industry, we are checking like that. So there will be a different gauging instruments, so which is fixed of a dimension. So they are inspecting or checking the given dimension. So like that, even ring gauge also, ring gauge is to check the given shaft. So it is a external diameter. So you need to insert the ring gauge over the shaft. So here also you will get a go and no go. So same by checking the plain plug gauge, here also we are checking the ring gauges by inserting the shaft in the hole of a ring gauge. If it is enters means, so the given specimen is accurate dimension. If it is not insert means, so it is not a good one, or it is not up to half the dimension. So like that, even the snap gauge also, it is a external shaft diameter checking, and a filler gauge is to check the clearance between the mating parts. Mating parts means in the engine, so there will be a difference, that is a gap between the mating parts. So even clearance is correct or not, we need to check through the filler gauge. So you have just like a Chinese feather fan. So you have a different dimensions on the filler gauge. So you are inserting and checking. If the filler gauge, that means the plate is just like a plate. If it is inserting means, so it is okay. If it is not inserting means the clearance is less. You need to take it out. So in this class you have come to know what are the gauges, what are the different types of gauges and where we are using, and what are the advantages and uses of these gauges in the manufacturing industry.